Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we have this one again. I'm running out of ideas of what good videos to do, so he's going to be in quite a lot of them. So today we are doing, I don't know what it's called.
I put on your makeup again, but
He's doing makeup again, but he's going to be my hands. So basically, I think I'm allowed to, I think I'm allowed to tell him what I'm putting on my face. So it would be like me speaking, and it'd be like me doing my own makeup, but he's my hands. So he won't be able to see where he's putting it on my face. He's just going to have to try and guess where.
oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Actually, can you put that?
No. So he's going to have to try, so he has no visual on how to put it on my face. He's just going to have to try, so maybe this ends up being better than the last one. I get to tell you what I'm putting on my face. So you can pick it up, but you have no visual and won't be able to see. So first I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to pick up my eyebrow pencil.
Which one's that? Try for your face.
I feel like that so you have more. Is that better?
Yeah. Oh, it snaps.
Careful! Don't break it. It's like my only living pencil at the moment. Do it lightly.
I'm not left-handed, but I am today. Is it like an actual pencil? Like, does it come out nicely? That's it. I'll go that one.
Okay. Now we're going to prep my eyes with concealer. So I'm putting, I think it's Maybelline Anti-Age Concealer.
Which is a Maybelline.
So I'm just going to prep my eyes with them. Ready for my concealer. Too much.
I don't know how much is too much. Got the right side will be the best. Is that too much?
Probably. And I'm going to use my sponge to blend that in.
This one? Oh, right, there's only one.
My eyes, oh, it's like getting in my eyeballs. So quickly.
There you go.
Now that I've prepped my eyes, well, I'm scratching. Now that I've prepped my eyes, now I'm going to do my eyeshadow.
Use eyeshadow?
And I'm using the Too Faced Natural Beauty. So I'm going to go in with Oh Dear for my crease colour.
More brush.
I'm using my crease brush.
Oh, that helps.
Well, I'm only
I'm
supposed
just use this one here.
So I'm going to use Bay Thavin for my outer corner, and I'm using a smaller, denser brush for it.
It's not smaller. it will do. Should I push them?
So I'm so. So I'm just gonna gently place that in my outer corner.
Oh, there. Right, so out here. Now there.
That's my eye!
You're not supposed to tell me.
Now we're going in with that same eyeshadow palette. And we're going in with 5 golden rings on the lid with a nice flat brush.
Flat brush, yes. Flat brush. Mm-hmm. Where'd you say
I'm not going to put too much on because that's a waste.
Oh, where'd you say we can put it?
Oh my god. I can't tell you.
What's not putting my eyes as well?
So that's just, yeah, that's just going to go on my lid. But we're not going to put too much over the outer corner since we've got that darker colour there. We're going to put on some mascara.
That's my best day.
Right, so we're going to use the Napoleon
This
mascara.
is not going to go well. Shut up.
I can't, I'm not supposed to laugh because it's supposed to be good, so
Yeah.
from now on I'm not going to laugh.
Good.
Right, now we've done my mascara. I'm just going to joke, mate. Now that we've done my mascara,
Whoops.
Now that I've done my mascara, I'm going to move on to my face primer. And today we're going to use the e.l.f. poreless face primer. And we're going to put a little bit on my hand. And we're going to put it on most areas that my pores are exposed. So we're going to put it on my chin. And my nose. And my forehead.
Come up there.
And what we're going to do
So big.
is going to blend that in and pat that down so that primer really gets into the pores.
Yeah, get in there.
You can't see, right?
No. Get up there. It'll be very loose. There we go.
Don't wipe it on my shirt.
Oh, sorry.
Now that we've done that face primer, we're going to use my foundation now. For foundation, we're going to use the Makeup Forever
Hang on.
HD stick foundation.
It's not a pat, it's a wipe.
So usually
Oh
I
my
would
god,
just
your hair gets
do,
in my little.
usually I would just do 3 kind of wipes on each cheek.
1, 2, 3. Where's the other cheek? Oh, it's over it. 1, 2, 3.
And 1 on my chin, nose and forehead. And using my beauty blender, I'm going
What's that? That's bronzer.
my sponge.
Oh,
I'm going to blend that foundation in. Now that that's all blended in my face, I'm going to move on to concealer. I'm going to put that under my eyes.
voila.
concealer.
Is that considered?
We're going to use the same concealer we set for the eyes. The Maybelline.
That camera. Where's Maybelline? Oh, this thing.
So I'm just going to put that under my eyes to get rid of those baggy eyes. And we're going to use the same sponge to blend that in.
It's black. Why is that?
Oh my god.
It's black. Oh no, something went wrong. Alright, we're done.
Okay. Now that's blended in, we're going to use my bronzer. And we're going to bronze / contour on my cheekbones. And we're going to use my bronzer brush. I'm going to do the fishy face. I'm going to just really focus that on my cheekbones.
Cheekbones.
I'm going to put it a little bit on the forehead, where my normal face is. And now I'm going to itch my nose because my nose is really itchy with my hand. Oh my god!
Oh, that's true.
And now I think I'm bleeding. I'm going to use my BYS palette for my blush.
There's two.
My blush.
Is this blush?
I thought you'd be. And I'm going to use my blush brush. My blush brush. So, palette. This is my blush brush. And we're going to use that peachy colour. Peachy colour. I really hope you know your colours. And we're just going to put that on the cheeks. This blush isn't very pigmented, so I'm going to go on it again. I'm just going to use a little bit more on the cheeks. On the cheeks. Now that we did my blush, now we're going to go on to highlight. And I'm using the BYS highlight. So we're just going to use that and pink one.
White.
And then we're going to use that shimmery lighter shade.
Where?
And I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones on the top. On the top. Yeah, perfect.
Thank you.
Now we're going to put a bit on my forehead, just above the brows.
Mm-hmm.
And a little bit on the nose. So I'm using my Davis Cosmetics
Pencil?
for my lip liner in the shade 04.
Stop eating my pencil. That's it.
Right, and then we're going to use my
Let
NYX.
go of me.
And then we're going to use my NYX lingerie
Oh, it's so annoying.
liquid lip in 06.
Why'd you get from 04 to 06?
And we're just gonna put that on my lip.
Here we go. Shh. Stop. There we go.
You did both lips? Is that top and bottom?
Yep.
Okay. Now I'm just gonna wipe my nose. Okay, we're gonna go on to setting spray now, and we're using the Australis makeup
Close your eyes.
spray. I'm just gonna put that on my face. Delicious. And that is it, everyone. I really hope that you like this beautiful face. This is my favourite one yet. I think I look fabulous. Okay, now Brody and I have not seen the finished look. Oh my god! To be honest, I don't think I look that much different than when you did my makeup. And you had eyes. So, well,
There's something wrong with you.
yeah, let's see what I did. I look
Dead.
I do.
Crying.
I look like I've been dead for a couple of years.
For 5 years.
I've been dead for 5 years. For some reason, I don't know what that is, concealer or makeup, that did not blend.
So you kept moving.
You missed my lips completely.
I got them the first time, didn't I?
You missed my mascara that was not on my eyeball. I really thought you would see more of the eyebrow pencil because it was going like this, and I was like, oh my god, I have one eyebrow. Yeah, but I look like I've been crying for about 5 years too. But you missed my lips.
Did I get them the first time?
No, you didn't even get.
Are you serious? I swear to God.
You didn't even get my lips at all. You just got here.
I
weird.
thought I felt it because, you know, big chin.
I feel like yeah, that's the outer corner there. Apparently, this is your outer corner.
I can say it. Thank you very
It's
much.
supposed to be here, but anyway, missed my eye. I didn't know my eyes were that wide.
They're pretty big.
I think I have some eyes.
So,
That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you like seeing this one here. Yes, please comment below any videos you'd like to see from me next because I'm running out of ideas. So yes, that would be really helpful. What else is there?
so,
Stay safe,
yeah.
and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!